Apple usually runs a remarkably tight ship, but today's global supply chain is simply too vast to keep secrets hidden. This year, Apple has made a rare, massive miscalculation in their production timeline. The iPhone 18 Pro has just leaked to the public, and it is genuinely staggering. Normally, you would think we still have a long wait ahead of us before we get any concrete details. Apple usually holds off on their engineering validation tests until late spring. But according to reliable sources deep within the supply chain, things are radically different this time around. Apple actually started testing their manufacturing runs all the way back in late February. They pushed the big red button months early simply to ensure the factories could handle some extraordinarily complex new hardware changes. But here is the reality of modern tech manufacturing. When you spool up the assembly lines, early physical dummy units always find a way to sneak out the back door. Thanks to industry insiders getting their hands on those exact physical models, we no longer have to guess. We can see exactly what Apple is changing, and frankly, it is the most substantial leap we have seen in years. Let us separate the real leaks from the noise, starting with the biggest shift of all. It proves Apple is finally taking authentic, professional-grade photography seriously. Since the dawn of the smartphone, going all the way back to those of us who remember the Nokia 3310 era, the main camera on the back of your phone has relied on a fixed, permanent aperture. It was just a static hole for light to pass through, incapable of changing its physical size. When you take a portrait photo today and the background melts into a blurry bokeh, your phone is essentially faking it. It is nothing more than a clever computer software trick. That is exactly why it constantly fumbles the edges of your hair or glasses. But that artificial software blur is officially about to become a relic of the past. The latest leaks confirm that Apple is bringing a true, physical variable aperture to the iPhone 18 Pro. We are talking about genuine moving parts inside the lens. They have contracted Sunny Optical in China to build microscopic mechanical blades inside the primary camera housing that can physically open and close. For those of us who have spent years lugging around heavy DSLR cameras, you know exactly why this matters. If you are taking a photograph in a dimly lit restaurant, those mechanical blades will open all the way up, naturally creating that beautiful optical background blur without a single software trick. Conversely, if you're standing on a sun-drenched beach trying to capture a razor-sharp landscape, the blades will physically close down. This could actually matter because it is the exact same fundamental technology used in massive professional camera rigs, now completely miniaturized. But Apple knows better than to throw advanced hardware at us without providing the proper tools. That brings us to a crucial piece of the puzzle that flew completely under the radar. Recently, Apple quietly acquired the exceptionally talented development team behind Halide and Kino, two of the most robust professional camera applications on the App Store. The lead developer of those apps is literally working for Apple right now. What is interesting here is that Apple is clearly building an uncompromised manual pro camera mode directly into the standard iPhone camera application. For years, we have had to rely on clunky third-party apps to control our shutter speed. Now you will finally have total control over every aspect of your shot, including that brand new mechanical aperture right out of the box. Of course, all of that immense camera power does not mean much if the device feels cheap. If you have your current Pro iPhone sitting next to you right now, flip it over. Look closely at the frosted glass on the back panel. You will notice how the square bump that houses the camera lenses has a slightly different texture and color profile than the rest of the rear glass. It has always looked a bit mismatched. The new dummy units confirm that Apple has completely overhauled their glass forging process. The entire back of the iPhone 18 Pro is going to be forged from one seamless, beautifully unified piece of glass. There will be no awkward color shifting, just one continuous, elegant sweep of premium material. Speaking of that glass, we need to talk about the colors. I will rip the band-aid off right now. If you have been waiting patiently for Apple to finally release a completely stealthy matte black iPhone, you are going to be waiting another year. The final color lineup has definitively leaked, and true black is missing from the roster. Instead, we are getting a classic silver, a soft light blue, and a very moody dark gray. But to compensate, Apple is dropping a sophisticated flagship color called dark cherry. Imagine the deepest, darkest red you can possibly think of. It leans heavily into an old-money, luxury sports car aesthetic. When someone catches a glimpse of that rich crimson shining under the lights, they are instantly going to know you are carrying the absolute newest Pro model. But for my money, the absolute best physical change is happening on the front of the device. We really need to have an honest conversation about the dynamic island. When Apple first introduced that giant black pill floating at the top of our screens, it was a neat trick. But let us be real, it is massive. It constantly eats into your full-screen video experience. Thankfully, Mark Gurman and several top-tier analysts have confirmed that Apple's engineering team finally figured out how to cram the complex Face ID sensors directly underneath the active glass display. Because they can hide those crucial sensors beneath the pixels, the physical dynamic island cutout is permanently shrinking by a massive 35%. It is finally going to be just a tiny, unobtrusive camera hole. When you hold this new iPhone 18 Pro right next to an older model, The old one is going to instantly look incredibly cluttered and outdated. You are probably gripping your wallet right now, wondering how much of a premium Apple will charge. Everything in the world is getting more expensive and memory chip prices are skyrocketing. But in a shocking twist, top supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has reported that you can relax. Apple is entirely absorbing the extra manufacturing costs this year. They are planning to maintain the exact same pricing structure as last year. You get the variable aperture, the unified glass, the shrunken island, and the dark cherry color without paying a single dollar more than the current generation costs. If you have been holding on to an older Pro model, this is the exact massive leap forward we have all been waiting for. It is not just cheap hype, it is a genuinely useful evolution. I want to hear your perspective. Are you more excited to finally get your hands on that mechanical variable aperture camera, or are you just incredibly relieved that the giant dynamic island is shrinking down? Let me know your upgrade game plan down in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because the second someone boots up one of those physical test units and leaks the video, I am going to break it all down right here. Stay safe and I will catch you in the next one.